No place for us to go.
What you doing in there?
Seriously, we're not in a good spot here.
Come on. Go ahead, you can pass us. Go for it. Go. He just didn't want to get.
I didn't like that shit.
Howdy ho, everyone. On another adventure. Nice chilly one at that. Got about 4 to 5 inches of snow in the Reno area yesterday. And I'm gonna try to go catch some trout sickles because the water's about 33 degrees. A lot of casts today. It's gonna take a lot of casts. Move slow through the water. Take your time. Pick it apart. And maybe we'll get a big old meaty brown. So stay tuned. We'll see what we can do. Woo, got a good fish on here. Oh my goodness. Been fishing for about an hour, making a lot of casts, and finally I got into this slow, deep stuff. And it just will not come up. Will not. Come on, buddy. I know you're tired. Can't see it. Where is it? There it is. Whew. Come on. I don't even know if it's gonna fit in the net. Come on. Get out of there. Whoa! Boy, that was barely hooked. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Absolute monster. Look at that. That's what they come here for. Big old brown. Just look at the colors. Water's so cold right now, but this fish is just awesome. Just an absolute hog. Whew. Gotta love it.
Let's see.
Whew. Gotta love it.
Let's see. Good job, man.
Fish wants to go. Yes! So, Jason was saying his big brother's in here. This is all I've been doing. Real slow drifts right in the center of this channel, trying to get the fly at the bottom and making contact and just waiting for that bite. I nymph, which is basically using a Euro leader, it's called. It's almost the same thing as using a strike indicator, but just no indicator. I like it better because I can always vary my depth without having to switch my indicator depth up. Ooh, I thought that was another fish. But make a lot of casts in these slower pools right now, especially in the wintertime when the water temps are really low like this. But you just have to be patient and take your time. It's not like in the summertime when you're just moving through sections and cast go. You actually gotta take your time because these fish aren't going to be moving a lot, and they just don't want to expend the energy when the water temps is cold because they're just trying to stay warm as well. Even though trout do like colder water temps, they don't like it when it's 33 degrees near freezing. They still got to eat though. So that's all I'm doing. Making nice casts in this pool. Just watching as it goes down the river. All right, in a new spot. So today, even though I'm looking to make a lot of casts in whatever pool I'm in, I'm only looking for a semi-specific pool. What I have right here in front of me is you can see it's really slow moving. However, there's some faster current running into a bigger pool, but the pool is really deep because I think these fish are, like I was telling you before, not really looking to exert a lot of energy right now because, for one, the water temps are cold. Ooh, I just saw one rise over there. Water temps are cold, however, oh, there's one. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I saw that fish splash. Oh my goodness. But I'm looking for these deeper pools. I wonder what this feels like. A pretty good fish. Feels like a pretty good fish. Let's see if it will make a jump for us. I don't know what it is. She wants to stay deep. Big rainbow. Come on, get up here. Putting some side pressure on it. Trying to get it up. Oh, come on. Oh my God. Beautiful fish. Trying to get it up here. Just putting absolute work on this 6-weight rod. Won't come up. Just will not come up. Come on. Does not want to come in. Staying deep. One thing about this colder water is these fish can fight real hard for long periods of time because there's a lot of oxygen. Oh, look at that jump. Woohoo! A lot of oxygen, and they're not really stressed out because of the water. These fish are just putting a hurt on me today. Come on. Get in here. I know you want to. Oh my God. Look at that beautiful fish. Come on. Oh boy. Wow, what a toad. We got 10. So we got 10 plus 8. 18-inch rainbow. Absolute toad. Absolute. So, as I was saying, when I caught this fish, I mean, you saw it all happen, but I'm looking for these slower, deeper pools and just having a grand old time, making a lot of casts. Let's see if we can't get a good photo of it. The one thing about catching these fish in the wintertime is they're just so beautiful. Pronounced colors. Look at that red lateral line with the white fins. Absolute toad. Woo! Fish 5. Got another one on here. Feels pretty big. Haven't.
Just get it, man. Don't be fucking showboating. That's all. 15.
Good rainbow. Hare's here. It is 15. Yeah. Look at that beauty. Awesome rainbow. Nice white fins. Just a stud of a fish. Absolute stud. Just let it go. Woo. Hey, why are you following us? Must be my hormones, my pheromones.
Alpha trout player. Coming after you. They want you to mount it.
So, leave a comment what you think about these horses, but I have my own opinions. I don't really think they should be on our landscape. As you can see, there's a lot of feces around here, and they just destroy the plant fauna because they eat everything. So ended up catching a 20-inch brown, a 19-inch rainbow, and a 15-inch rainbow. So I think on the Truckee River things are heating up. It was relatively slow, but I cannot complain about that day because that was the best day I've ever had on the Truckee. You just never know. So if you want to book a trip, look up on my website. I'll put the link in the description and we'll get you out fishing. Have some fun and you'll learn something and just enjoying being out here in nature. So if you like this video, like and subscribe. Until next time, just remember to hook them in the face and we'll catch you later.